Imagine having a beautifully designed website or funnel that captivates your visitors, drives sales, and boosts your online presence. This cutting-edge platform empowers you to effortlessly design high-converting websites and funnels without any coding skills or technical know-how. It is, by far, the best way I have found to be able to build websites, sales funnels, and sell digital products online. The best part? It's free. And you know what? I can definitely tell you that this 100% free tool is perfectly capable of running your entire business, maybe even better than some of the expensive, complicated tools out there. Here are some of the amazing features. Free sales pages and funnel building platform. Ability to create full product funnels. It is possible to build your own branded websites with full navigation. You can integrate with your own custom domain name. You can sell any product with what they call a one-click upsell. Capability to integrate upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Even has a way to create your own powerful affiliate program for your products. So, if you're striving to grow your business, looking to learn more about marketing, and getting to know some of the best in the industry at a more personal level, then you won't want to miss out on this opportunity. Don't wait any longer. Check the below link to sign up for your free account right now.